Well, we told you earlier about the ABC7 News app, and we also have an ABC7 Weather app, and it's updated too, so you want to download this if you can. You want to go to your app store and search for My Suncoast, all one word, MySuncoast, and it will show up. Same with the news program as well for ABC7. You can also track hurricanes, tropical systems, and you can get alerts and warnings from the National Weather Service as they are issued, and it comes right to your phone. I have it right now, and in fact, the other day I was driving to work, and sure enough, it came right on the phone. A severe thunderstorm warning. So again, My Suncoast. Go to your app store, My Suncoast. That's what you want to search for. There's a lot of ABC7s out there, but My Suncoast will get you there quicker. Here's what's going on. Weather headlines. Cindy develops, Brett fades away. Tropical storm warnings in effect for parts of the U.S. for the third named storm, Cindy, as it makes its way eventually toward that coast, bringing with it some very heavy rainfall. Not a lot of wind, but it will be very rainy all throughout the northern Gulf Coast states. They're talking 5 to 7 inches, maybe some isolated areas even 10. We're getting some wave action. We'll continue to see these waves generate from the storm and then propagate all the way to the west coast of Florida. So that will be an issue with rip currents through Wednesday. That will stay with us, a rip current risk for area beaches. The low pressure center is still out here, kind of void of any significant storminess. The heavy weather well to the north of that. Now this is going to eventually move off toward the northwest. Looks like making landfall somewhere at the Texas-Louisiana border sometime on Thursday morning, say after 4 or 5 o'clock. But right now it doesn't matter where that makes landfall. What matters is the heavy rain that continues to pile on into Louisiana and into Mississippi, even into Alabama, all the way over to the panhandle of Florida. Showers and storms developing along a line due to the little sea breeze action and the fact that temperatures were 90, 95 degrees inland and the water temperature 85, a little push causing some convergence to set up as that moisture continues to stream on into that system. Some pretty heavy lightning now along I-75, tough driving from Lakewood Ranch northward up through State Road 64, right there near Waterleaf, and then a storm exiting along I-275 near the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Down to street level we go. The River Club getting some rainfall. Lakewood Ranch just near the town center. And then the heaviest rain by far near Terra, heading off toward Ellenton, and should be there fairly soon. In fact, at around 6:24, that is when the bulk of this heavy rainfall and the leading edge of it should reach Ellenton there. So again, we're going to see showers scattered about through this evening and then tapering off after midnight. As far as Brett is concerned, it's no longer a storm. A remnant low, if you will, has been ripped apart by some upper level winds that will continue to head off toward the west. Cindy making her way toward the Texas-Louisiana coast sometime after 2 a.m. on Thursday morning is when we'll start to see that make landfall. And as far as the remnants go with Brett, it's going to continue to head off into the western portion of the Caribbean and not showing any signs of any organization or development with it. Current conditions now, we have some clouds around. It's 83, it's warm, it's muggy out there, and winds are out of the east at 3. The high today did manage to get to 90, the low was 70, and our normal high at 89 degrees. No rainfall to report, and for the month now, we're at 9.95 inches. That's over 5 inches, 5.5 inches above average. Temperatures in the low 80s near the coast and in the 70s over the panhandle. A little bit more cloud cover is located. Well, for boaters, it looks like this. We're going to see winds still rather strong tomorrow. Southeast at 10 to 15 knots. Seas will be 3 to 5 feet and choppy conditions out there. Water temperature at 85 degrees. Tides upcoming. High tide will be at 11:30 and another high at 10:16 tomorrow morning. Tonight, mostly cloudy, scattered showers. It will stay humid, a little bit breezy. And then for tomorrow and for Thursday, a good chance for scattered mainly afternoon storms. Less action Friday, Saturday, and then we'll get back to those afternoon and evening storms after the weekend is over.